everyone, good morning. I hope you are fine, beta. Today we are starting our next topic, mechanical power. So in last class we discussed already work energy and type of energy. We discussed their kind about their that is your mechanical power. Okay, so mechanical power, that is a rate of doing work, that is known as the mechanical power. If we are doing any work then per unit time, then we can call it power. So power, we can write their work done per unit time is known as the power. It is our scalar quantity. Our quantities we are dividing into two parts, scalar and vector quantity. So power is our scalar quantity. Its SI unit is watt and joule per second. इसकी SI unit क्या होती है? वोट होती है, जूल पर सेकंड होती है. Okay, so next will be here power. We can write their work done per unit time, that is your formula of this one, mechanical power. So let any object we are keeping here, then we are applying force on it F, then it will shift some after some displacement as displacement. Okay, so assume here object of mass M, applied F on it, then S displacement is take place by this object. Then by definition of the work done equal to force into displacement. So here work done equal to force into displacement, then put here work done, then power we can write their Fs by T. So here power we can write their force into velocity, because your displacement by time we can write their velocity, then power we can write their force into velocity. Okay, next will be our in FV graph, then power we can write their area under the curve, force velocity graph. Clear? इसके अंदर पावर क्या हो जाएगी हमारी, अगर फोर्स वेलोसिटी ग्राफ गिवन है तो पावर को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, एरिया अंडर द कर्व the force velocity graph. Clear? So next will be there, if certain force in a body is 40 Newton to move object with 20 meter per second, then find the mechanical power. हमारे क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या गिवन है, नाउ रीड क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. ये कह रहा है कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई किया गया है 40 न्यूटन, देन ऑब्जेक्ट विद दिस 120 मीटर पर सेकंड वेलोसिटी के साथ मूव कर रहा है, देन वी हैव टू. So power, how we can find there? We have done already formula of the power in form of the force and velocity. Power we know about this one, work done per unit time. But question में हमारे पास क्या given है, force given और velocity given है. तो इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या हम इसको फॉर्मूले को ओपन करेंगे, work done we can write their force into displacement. So displacement into time we can write their velocity, then force into velocity will be equal to our power only. So power we can write their 40 Newton into velocity 20 will be there. So it will become your 800 watt power will be there. Okay, so next will be question, then an object of mass is 40 kg moving with a 20 meter per second to 60 meter per second for a 10 second. Clear? कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका मास क्या गिवन है, 40 kg गिवन है, तो मूव कर रहा है 20 मीटर पर सेकंड से 60 मीटर पर सेकंड. क्लियर? देन हियर फॉर द 10 सेकंड के लिए मूव कर रहा है. Here then we have to find out power applied on this object. Then we have to find out how much power is applied on the object by which it is moving from this to this velocity 20 meter per second to 60 meter per second. So how much power is conserved during this case? The power we can write there, work done per unit time. Work done per unit time को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, पावर लिख सकते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है कि इसका मास इतना है, वेलोसिटी कितनी वेरी कर रही है, 20 से 60 तक वेरी कर रही है. सो हियर वर्क डन वी कैन राइट देयर चेंज, we can write their force into displacement, and in form of the velocity we can write their change in kinetic energy. So how much change in the kinetic energy? Final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, half mv square minus half mu square. Final kinetic energy minus initial energy. So after this one, here we can write it, here we can write it here. How we can solve this one? Change in kinetic energy. वेलोसिटी हमें गिवन है 20 मीटर पर सेकंड, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 160 मीटर पर सेकंड, एंड टाइम क्या गिवन है 10 सेकंड. मास इज गिवन योर 40 kg. ओके, मास क्या गिवन है 40 kg गिवन है. तो वर्क डन अगर हम निकालेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा, हाफ mv स्क्वायर माइनस हाफ mu square. Then change in velocity will be there, and how much change? Mass is given 40, change in velocity will be take place. Then velocity how much? Final velocity is 60 minus initial velocity is your 20. So here we can write there 60 square minus here 20 square. Clear? Solve this one, your square of this one 60. Then here we can write there 3600 minus 400. Okay, as we will solve this one, calculation of this one, then after solution, then here will become your 3200. Okay, so I hope you understood. But work done will become equal to your 64,000 joule will be there. So here asked there how much power is consumed during the motion of the object as velocity is changing from 20 to 60, तो कितनी पावर कंज्यूम की गई. सो हेयर पावर वी कैन राइट देयर वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम. वर्क डन केम आवर 64,000. सो राइट हियर 64,000 डिवाइड बाय योर 10, then it will become your 6400. Okay, so this one will be equal to our power consumed during this motion of any object. Okay, so next question is there, if masses m1 and m2 of the object are the 4 kg and 16 kg respectively, then energy of the both object are equal to find the ratio of the linear momentum. हमें क्या निकालना, लीनियर मोमेंटम का रेशियो निकालना है. तो क्वेश्चन के अंदर अगर मास गिवन है, टू मासेस, वन मास इज 4 kg and 6 kg, एनर्जी आर there, so we have to find out relation between them. So how we can find their, first we should know about the relation between them. Okay, पहले तो हमें क्या होना चाहिए, मोमेंटम एनर्जी का रिलेशन पता होना चाहिए. So P equal to under root 2mE. So same energy given, that's why we will keep E only, and mass are given, then put value of mass for the both object respectively, then linear momentum of the both object P1 and P2 will be there. Then for the ratio, then we will divide both equation from one to another. So after the division, then here will become under root 4 by under root 16, then solid, then here will become 1 by under root 2. Okay, so I hope you understood beta how we can solve this one momentum relation, as your kinetic energy will be given during this case. Now next question we will do, if suppose mass of object is 10 kg, 10 kg, which is accelerating 10 meter per second square. Okay, not 10, it will be 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ओके, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका मास 10 kg, वो एक्सीलरेट करता है 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड. देन फाइंड देयर डिस्प्लेसमेंट, फाइंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय this object when 20 joule is work, 20 joule work is done. Okay, so according to question, read our question carefully. क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या कह रहा है कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका मास क्या गिवन है, 10 kg गिवन है, एक्सीलरेट कर रहा है 30 मीटर पर सेकंड के साथ. इसकी डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या गिवन है, 20 जूल डिस्प्लेसमेंट गिवन है. क्लियर. सो हमें चेक करना है कि कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगी ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा. लेट हियर ऑब्जेक्ट वी हैव टेकन, जिसका मास क्या गिवन है आपको, 10 kg मास गिवन है. मास क्या गिवन है, 10 kg, एक्सीलरेटिंग विद 30 मीटर पर सेकंड, दैट इज एक्सीलरेटिंग विद 30 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. देन आफ्टर दैट हाउ मच डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बी देयर इफ 20 जूल. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगी अगर ये कितना काम कर रहा है, 20 जूल वर्क इज डन बाय दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. Clear. So here, as first we will write all given terms which are given in our question. Mass given, mass of object is given 10 kg. कितना given है, 10 kg. Okay, accelerating with acceleration that is equal to 30 meter per second square, 30 meter per second square. Then this one energy is equal to our 20 joule. कितने given है, 20 joule energy given है. Clear. So using this one, then here displacement is you have to find out, S we have to find out. So डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? फर्स्ट वी शुड नो अबाउट देयर वर्क डन इक्वल टू आवर फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Yes, no? Okay, but force is not given in your question. Body is accelerating. That's why by Newton's second law we can write there by Newton's second law. Then we can write there F equal to ME. So work done we can write there MES. Clear? So see in our question which factors are given. Mass is given our 10 kg, acceleration is given of the body 30, and displacement is given our displacement only we have to find out. Work done is given our 20 joule. क्लियर? सो इसको यूज करेंगे, यूज करते हुए हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगी? डिस्प्लेसमेंट आ जाएगी. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन राइट देयर एस इक्वल टू, हमारे पास क्या है? 20 इक्वल टू यर 10 इंटू आवर 30 इक्वल टू यर एस. ओके, दिस वन केम, यही था ना, 10 into 30. So S, how we can find there? S we will find, then take this one this side, then S we can write there 20 divide by 10 into 30. 0 to 0 cancel out, 2 by 30. That is 1 by 15 meter will be traveled by this object when 30 joule work is done by this one object. Okay. Now see next question. If here energy, momentum of two bodies of masses 10 kg and 20 kg having 4 momentum, na this one, kg meter second minus 1 and 16 kg meter second minus 1 respectively. Then find the ratio of kinetic energy. Okay, this you have to find out. So momentum of two bodies are given 10 and here 20 kg, having their momentum are this one 4 and 14 kg meter per second square respectively. Then we have to find out ratio of the kinetic energy of the both object. क्लियर? दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स का क्या है? काइनेटिक एनर्जी का रेशियो निकालना है. क्लियर? So here momentum given, kinetic energy we have to find out. Then told to you what is the relation between their momentum and kinetic energy. This one relation, as we know here, relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum will be equal to p square by 2m equal to kinetic energy. Okay, this is the relation between them. So here mass, first we will write their given terms. क्या क्या given हमारे questions के अंदर? Here mass is given our 10 kg. Here second mass of first body, mass of second body is given our 20 kg, having their momentum with respect to this one p1 equal to your 4 kg meter second minus 1 and your p2 will be equal to our 16 kg meter second minus 1. Clear? This one our momentum, this one our masses of the both objects. Then we have to find out ratio of the kinetic energy. क्या निकालना में? E1 by E2, this one. ये रेशियो निकालना है, तो इसके लिए हम क्या निकालेंगे, फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए, क्या रिलेशन हमारे पास, रिलेशन बिटवीन देम E इक्वल टू पी स्क्वायर बाई 2m. सो यूजिंग दिस वन हियर फॉर मास 1, फर्स्ट मास के लिए हम निकालेंगे पी स्क्वायर बाई 2m इक्वल टू आवर E1 एनर्जी. सो E1 वी कैन राइट देयर E1 इक्वल टू आवर P1 m1. Okay, initial momentum, first object momentum is given, p1 is equal to 4 and m1 is equal to your 10. P1 equal to your 4 square divided by 2 into 10. So here we can write there 4 4 16 then 20, this one joule. Clear? So next will be there for E2, mass is 20, P2 is our 16 kg meter per second square. So here we can write there for mass 2, for mass second, then P2 we can write there 2m2 equal to our energy of the second mass. So here we can write there E2 equal to our 4 4 16, P2 given हमारे क्वेश्चन में क्या given है, 16 given है. So here we can write here 16 square by 2 into m2. What is m2? M2 is here second mass of the second body, then it is given here 20, I think 20 only na, 20 kg. Okay, this one came. Okay, 16 16, then we will write there 2 2 2 5 6, one time multiply this one, yes 256 256, then it will be here 40, then cancel out, if something is cancelling out, then here we can write that 2 into 20, so 2 से cancel out हो जाएगा, कितना बचेगा 1 18. Okay, more also cancel out, you can keep like this one only because we have to find out na ratio. So ratio if we will take here, then E1 by E2, then our E1 value is came 16 by 20, so here we can write there 16 by 20 divide by your E2 equal to your 128 divided by our 20. Clear? रेशियो निकालेंगे तो यहाँ से 20 तो 20 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, that's why we keep as it is only. So E1 divide by your E2 equal to your 16 by 128. Okay, so here after that then we can cancel it, then how we can cancel it, 16 to 128, then here cancel this one with the 2, then 2. Okay, then here will be left here 8 से क्या cancel हो रहा है 4, so 8, then here left 4 16, then here will become 8, then it come 8. Okay, so ratio of E1 to E2, that is come here 1:8. I hope you understood beta how you can solve this question. Here your question is there, momentum of two bodies masses are given 10 and 20 kg, दोनों की momentum given है respectively, आपको kinetic energy निकालनी है. सबसे पहले तो हम लिखते हैं कि कौन कौन से term आपको given है, which quantities are given in our question, then write first, then check there which term you have to find out, ratio of kinetic energy we have to find out. So write the relation between this kinetic energy and momentum, that is equal to E equal to P square by 2m. That is important relation beta between them, remember it. So by using this one formula, then E1 equal to, we can write there P1 square by 2m, then E1 will be equal to this one. Second here E2 equal to P square by 2m. So as your this one given ratio, here we will solve this one E1 and E2, then find out the ratio, then we are keeping the value of E1 by E2. After putting here, then here we can cancel out this one, then here will become your E1 by 8. So here ratio of E1 and E2 will be equal to 1:8. Okay, I hope you understood beta how we can find their relation of kinetic energy and momentum. Clear? Next will be there, then object of mass 5 kg having work is done falling down on ground is 20 joule. Then find height of this object. This object. Okay. देन हाइट हमें फाइंड करनी क्वेश्चन सी आवर क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या गिवन है हमारा क्वेश्चन के अंदर कह रहा है कि एक मास है जिसका क्या मास एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका मास क्या है 5 kg देन वर्क इज डन फॉलिंग डाउन ऑन अ ग्राउंड इज 20 जूल ओके वर्क कौन कर रहा है 20 जूल का वर्क हो रहा है इसके ऊपर 20 जूल का वर्क क्लियर तो कह रहा है कि फाइंड द हाइट फाइंड करो ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट एज वी आर फॉलोइंग इट डाउन जब इसको ना ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ एक ऑब्जेक्ट इसको नीचे से ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ थ्रो कर रहा है तो ये हाइट हमें फाइंड कर रही है कि अगर यहाँ से यहाँ तक उसने कितना वर्क किया 20 जूल का वर्क किया सो ड्यूरिंग द वर्टिकल चेंज इन द डिस्प्लेसमेंट देन वी विल कॉल इट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी तो ये वर्क डन क्या है किस फॉर्म में पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की फॉर्म में सो ड्यू टू acceleration of gravity then we can write there a will be equal to our g जो a है वो किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा g के इक्वल हो जाएगा so work done we can write there force into displacement then m as क्लियर और a किसके इक्वल हो गया g के इक्वल तो वर्क डन क्या आ गया हमारा mg and displacement will be equal to height that is our potential energy only तो वर्क डन आपको given है 20 kg mass क्या given है 5 g you can take 10 then height we have found out understood so height क्या आ जाएगी 10 to 20 cancel out 2 will be left here then height of this object will become here 2 by 5 clear 2 by 5 meter this one here height of that object from where that object will be fall down under the effect of the 20 joule energy okay इसमें 20 joule energy के साथ वो गिरेगा तो कितनी हाइट से एक्वायर करेगा वो 2.5 हाइट एक्वायर करेगा मीटर clear I hope you understood better then thank you for watching today our video have a nice day